I just did these stairs yesterday. I gotta finish them up. Went with a round over route on the cap. Nice cut to the column. Another nice cut to the column. Got skirt boards in. This I've never did on 22s at the bottom. Everything's kind of, it's the first time I've done these like this, so this is for $1 million home. This is a new builder that I'm working for. You got your drop down, regular drop down. 1x6 continues around, another drop down right here. 1x6 up there, ties in. That's it. They'll be getting oak treads on here, and they will be getting metal spindles and metal handrail, from what I understand. And I should be doing them. Not sure when, but like I said, very pretty.